Welcome back to Smart Money Path. Get ready to dive into the world of high-stakes investing. Today, I've got something special for you. I'm talking about 3 stocks that could explode in value, and no one's talking about them. Could one of these make you a millionaire? Let's find out. But first, quick disclaimer, no stock is a guaranteed win, and investing always carries risk. All right, let's jump in. So, first up, there's this company you might know, but maybe you're not paying enough attention to it. Meta Platforms. This tech giant, which used to be called Facebook, has been a cornerstone of social media for years. Now, Meta had a pretty rough 2022 with their whole metaverse struggles. They faced some significant financial setbacks and a drop in stock prices that left a lot of investors worried. But here's the thing, they're coming back strong. With a renewed focus and some strategic pivots, Meta is showing signs of recovery and growth, which is making investors optimistic again. Their pivot to artificial intelligence and their social media dominance could be game-changing. By integrating advanced AI technologies, Meta aims to enhance user experiences and solidify its position in the tech world. But Meta isn't without its challenges. The competitive landscape is super fierce, and the company has to navigate through various obstacles to maintain its edge. Big players like TikTok and strict privacy regulations are lurking in the background. These factors could pose significant threats to Meta's growth and stability. So, is it a stock to jump on now? Well, that's for you to decide. The decision to invest in Meta requires careful consideration of both its potential and the risks involved. But there's one thing for sure, if they keep dominating social media, the sky's the limit. With their innovative approach and relentless drive, Meta could very well shape the future of digital interaction. Next, we have TSLA. Yep, you've heard of Tesla. But here's why it's still flying under the radar for massive future growth. Despite being a household name, Tesla continues to innovate and push boundaries in ways that many might not fully appreciate yet. Sure, they've had product delays, but with the Cybertruck and AI-driven innovations like their Dojo supercomputer, they're not just an EV company, they're a tech company. The Cybertruck, with its unique design and robust features, aims to revolutionize the pickup truck market. Meanwhile, the Dojo supercomputer is set to enhance Tesla's AI capabilities, making their self-driving technology even more advanced. Now, let's talk risks. Tesla has a lot of competition, and if they can't deliver on these promises, their stock could suffer. The EV market is becoming increasingly crowded with new entrants and established automakers ramping up their electric vehicle offerings. But Tesla has defied expectations before. Do you think they'll do it again? With Elon Musk at the helm, the company has a track record of overcoming obstacles and surprising the market. Will they continue to lead the charge in innovation and growth? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, Tesla remains a company to watch closely. Finally, Nvidia. If you haven't been paying attention to Nvidia, it's time to start. This tech giant has been making waves in the industry for years, but their recent advancements are truly game-changing. Nvidia is leading the AI chip revolution with an 80% market share. Their dominance in this sector is unparalleled, and they continue to innovate at a rapid pace, setting new standards for performance and efficiency. Their chips are at the heart of everything from self-driving cars to healthcare AI. These technologies are not just futuristic concepts. They are being implemented today, transforming industries and improving lives. But here's where things get interesting. Nvidia could face challenges if tech spending slows or new competitors emerge. The tech landscape is always evolving, and staying ahead requires constant innovation and strategic planning. With the demand for AI skyrocketing, they're in the driver's seat. AI are expanding rapidly from everyday consumer products to complex industrial systems. Nvidia remain at the forefront of this revolution. Could they be the stock that changes your financial future? With their strong market position and continuous innovation, Nvidia presents a compelling opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on the AI boom. Keep an eye on this powerhouse as they continue to shape the future of technology. Alright, so those are 3 stocks with serious millionaire-making potential. Meta, Tesla, and Nvidia. Each has big upsides, but remember, there are always risks. Let me know in the comments. Are you already investing in any of these? And if you want more insights like this, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Money Path. Stay tuned for more videos that help you get ahead on your investing journey.